Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. For you guys, I'm going to specifically talk about the top 20 Valentine trends on which you can make your own print-on-demand designs right now and can upload on Redbubble, Teepublic or any other print-on-demand websites online and can start making money online. So I'm going to talk about top 20 Valentine trends. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching this video till the end, guys. And before moving on to the good part, you guys really know what you need to do. Click on the like button. I would really appreciate that. Guys, for those of you guys who don't know, I have already made a 60+ niches free guide. The link of this free guide description box below. You can download the 60+ niche free guide and can get started with making your own print-on-demand designs. Along with that, I also have free graphics that you can hop up on right now and can use these free graphics for making your own print-on-demand designs. The link of both these things are in description box below. You can check it out. You can download the free guide and you can also download the free graphics which you can use for your print-on-demand designs. Also guys, if you want your Redbubble shop to be reviewed by me, I'm gonna make another video talking about Redbubble shop reviews, and if you want your shop to be reviewed, put your link of your shop in the comment section below, so I'm gonna consider it for my next Redbubble shop review video. Now let's get started with the main part of the video, guys, talking about the top 20 Valentine trends. Now this is almost the end of the January that I'm making this video and I'm not early on this one. So I'm going to talk about the top 20 Valentine trends that I see that if you can make designs right now, you'll be getting the sales and all that. The first Valentine trend that I have for you is always together. On the Redbubble, it has 1549 search results and you can make up any product or any design related to this particular Valentine trends. The second Redbubble Valentine trend that I have for you is You Are My Person, which has 1981 search results onto the Redbubble. You can hop on right now and you can start making different products like stickers and mugs related to it. And also guys, do make the greeting cards related to these Valentine trends because it will really going to help you getting found on these search results because many people are actually purchasing these greeting cards at this time of the year. Now another thing is, third Valentine trend is marriage proposal. It has 2564 search results on the Redbubble. You can hop up on right now and can start making the different designs related to the marriage proposals and all that. Moving on to the fourth Valentine trend that I have for you is marry me. It has 3409 results onto the Redbubble. You can make designs on this particular trend and can put up on any other print-on-demand websites online out there. Another Redbubble Valentine trend that we have for you is propose love. It has 1457 search results on the Redbubble. You can make the t-shirt designs and various different types of design related to this particular Valentine trend. Another Valentine trend that we have for you is heart lolly. It has 543 results onto the Redbubble. You can make the heart lolly or lollipop related to it in various different colors like red, green, blue, and can hop up on right now and can make start designs related to it. Another Valentine trend that we have for you is meant to be. It has 1322 search results onto the Redbubble. You can make up stickers related to it, greeting cards related to it, also making the t-shirt designs related to this particular trend. Another Valentine trend that I have for you is Be Mine for Valentine. Be Mine for Valentine. It has 3079 search results onto the Redbubble. You can specifically make stickers related to these this Valentine trend and can also make up different types of t-shirts. Another Valentine trend that I have for you is First Valentine's Day. It has 1155 search results onto the Redbubble and you can make various different types of masks and t-shirt related to this particular trend and it's in trending right now. Another Valentine trend that I have for you is You Belong With Me. It has 371 search results onto the Redbubble, although it is having less than 1000 search results, but if you are targeting specifically the keywords related to Valentine, then your designs will be more likely to found for this particular keyword. Another trending Valentine trends that I have for you is Forever and Always. It has 2643 search results onto the Redbubble. They have the various different kinds of stickers and various different types of greeting card related to this particular Valentine trends. You can also make the various different types of the stickers related to the black bold font like stickers, black font written in the forever and always, or something, a code related design related to this particular Valentine trend. Another Valentine trend that we have for you is I Just Wanna Be Yours. It has 241 search results onto the Redbubble. It has less than 500 search results, types of greeting cards, pillow covers, and also various different types of stickers related to this particular Valentine trend. Another Redbubble trend that I have for you is Cute Controller. It has 3,567 search results onto the Redbubble. It is kind of like related to the video games or the PlayStations, or you can also take it as a GameCube controller. And you're going to see that most of the design trends that are searchable for this particular keyword have the remotes for the PlayStation, remotes for the video games, and you can combine it either with the different codes, or you can also combine it with the different types of designs related to the games or love hearts or something like that, and can start making up designs right now. Another Redbubble trend, Valentine trend that I have for you is You Are Mine. It has 539 search results onto the Redbubble. Now it is having less than 1,000 search results, so you can combine the keywords for this particular design with a more popular Valentine trends, like having the search volume 1,000 or 2,000. You can combine the keywords related to that for this particular niche, and then can be found for the Valentine trends onto the Redbubble. Moving on to the another Valentine trend that I have for you is Love Is All Around. It has 479 search results onto the Redbubble, less than 500. Again, what you can do in this, you can make a greeting card, you can make a different types of stickers, you can also make a different types of quotes design, having a black quotes in various different types of fonts like the serif or the sans serif. And also you can, a Valentine trend that I have for you is Sending Love. It has 824 search results onto the Redbubble. It's also not that popular, having less than 1,000 search results. You can combine it with the more popular keywords having 1,000 or 2,000 search results, so that you can make a greeting cards related to it. You can use the quotes design, and can also use these small heart pop-ups or teddy bears or something like design related to this. Another Valentine trend that I have for you is Love Is Forever. It has 5,443 search results onto the Redbubble. As a little bit more popular than the other Valentine trends out there, you can hop open right now and you can start using the keywords that are having less than 1,000 search results, so that you'll be able to find for this particular keyword. You can also make the codes design related to this particular trend, like the red codes, red, black, bold codes, all caps, or different types of fonts like the sans serif or decorative or scriptive type of fonts. And you can also make the greeting cards and t-shirts and various different products for this particular Valentine trends. Another Valentine trend that we have for you is Love in Corona, because it's the coronavirus. So this is the most popular trend right now. You can hop open right now, and they have the 4,252 search results onto the Redbubble, and you can start making the designs related to it, related to the quarantine, related to the quarantine love, or kind of like a long distance type of stickers or something like that, representing the love between the two persons that are separated by the quarantine or separated by the borders, whatever it is. You can also make a greeting card, the stickers and mask related to this particular trend. Popular trend, Valentine popular trend is Love Isn't Cancelled. It has 2,638 search results onto the Redbubble. You can combine it with the love cannot be cancelled or love can't cancel, somewhat like this particular type of keyword, and you can make up the designs right now. One of the most popular product that you can make right now is the greeting card and the stickers, which are selling well related to the Valentine, because obviously the greeting cards are meant for sending the love to their loved ones by the greeting card. And then if you are using this particular trends, it would be more helpful for you to found your shop for Valentine trends right now. You can also make the different types of quotes design related to these particular types of trends, and you can use these quotes onto the t-shirts, onto the stickers, or also onto the mask, so you'll be able to find out it. Now just moving on to the last Valentine trend of this video, guys, I have for you is Vintage Love Is Not Cancelled. They have 1,234 search results onto the Redbubble. Now it's a kind of like related to the love is not cancelled, or love can't cancelled, or vintage love, or vintage love is there, or something like that. You can combine it with the different keywords for this particular trend, and can start up making up design right now and selling on different print on demand websites out there. and you can make up different types of t-shirts, related quotes, or masks, or the stickers, or also the greeting cards. Because so guys, all these Valentine trends you can start making designs right now, either on Redbubble, Teepublic, merged by Amazon, and you can combine it with the different types of niches of the Valentine itself. Like if you are picking up the one trending niches and you are combining it with the keywords of some other Valentine trending niches together and can make up a design or related to it, then you'll have more chances to be found for this particular trend right now, because people are more into buying for the Valentine right now. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, and are you making design related to the Valentine trends or not? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. And also, if you want your Redbubble shop to be reviewed in my next upcoming Redbubble shop review video, because I'm gonna make another Redbubble shop review video. So if you want your Redbubble shop to be reviewed in that video, please put the link of your Redbubble shop in the description in the comment section below, guys. I'm gonna consider it for that video, and I'm gonna review your shop, so consider doing that. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below, and see you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.